Hey everyone, this is Jay with Elysian Technology, and today we're going to talk about the basics of Microsoft Teams. Do you find yourself suddenly working from home because of COVID-19? And do you now rely on Microsoft Teams, but you're not really sure exactly how to use it? Well, we've created this quick video on the basics of Microsoft Teams to help you get through this tough time. And don't worry, we'll all get through this. We're all in it together. So Microsoft Teams is a collaboration and communication software, and it can be accessed by downloading the Teams app and installing it on your Windows or Mac PC. Or you can go to teams.microsoft.com if you don't want to download the app or you cannot download the application and install it. The most commonly used piece of Teams is just simple instant messaging. And that's what I have up here. If you look under this button on the left here, chat. This is an example of an instant message with my colleague, Sean. And you can see I wrote, hey, just basic text. He responded with a GIF image, which you can put into your messages for, it adds a little bit of humor to when you're all working remotely and not getting to see each other. But you can see, you can go back and forth here. And any of these messages you can like or love or laugh at. It's a good way to get a little bit more across than just text. And to type a new message, you're just going to click in the box down here and type whatever you want. This is a message, and you'd hit the send button. You can, as I said, you can include GIFs, or you can include notes, or you can include attachments. You can actually drag and drop a file right into this box here if I wanted to send it or share it with Sean. So that's kind of the basics of communicating via instant message. If I wanted to create a new instant message to a new person that's not Sean, I could click on this little icon up here that says new chat, and I just type in the people that I want on this thread per se. So I could have one person or I could have multiple people. And when I start that conversation, you can see that on the left-hand side, the most recent conversations appear. And now I have one with, ironically, myself and one with Sean. So they will just continue to pile up here as you have different conversations, and you just click on them to go back to them and to add to them or send anything. In addition to basic chat, there is the idea of Teams, which tries to organize that chat, communication, and file sharing around a specific topic or group of people. So this Elysian demo team here is a Microsoft Teams team. And what that is a collection of users that may have a common goal. So maybe it's like a marketing team, or maybe it's a sales team. And then within the team, you have different channels. We have a channel here called General and a channel here called Spring 2020 Initiatives. And those are going to include all the same people that are in the team. But the idea is that the conversation and files and collaboration is focused around the channel topic. So in this case, the Spring 2020 Initiatives. And anything you send or share within the Spring 2020 Initiatives channel is not going to be shown in the general channel. So it's really a way to organize and focus that conversation. And you may find that you have lots of different teams and lots of different channels, or you may come in here and not have any teams because your organization doesn't use them. It's just another way to collaborate. The next tab down here is your calendar, and this actually syncs with Microsoft Outlook. So you will see your appointments in here. And if you have an appointment that is actually a Teams meeting that you're using to have that appointment, there will be a button here that allows you to just click join, and you can join right in to that meeting right from here. You can also schedule a new meeting, a new Teams meeting right from the top right as well. So those are the basic functions. Now I just want to show you a little bit of the advanced stuff. If you're searching for something, you can go up to chat, let's say, and you can search for, I'm going to search for kids because I happen to know we talked about that, Sean and I did. And you can see here, it'll find all the chats with the word kids in it, and you can click on it, and it tells me this is the one. I'm doing well, just trying to stay sane when working from home with these kids. So I can say, oh, I love that one. And then the other thing is let's say I wanted to video conference or call or share my screen with Sean. I can do that right from here. I'm in the instant message with Sean, And these buttons at the top will let me do a video call, a regular audio call, or let me share my screen. So those things I think are going to come in handy as people work from home more and get more used to it. So, I hope this video helps out. Let us know what you think. If you want more videos, maybe diving into some of the more advanced features. If you have questions, let us know. We've used it for, I don't know, a couple of years now, so we're pretty familiar with it. So we'd be happy to answer any questions. Thanks, guys, and hang in there.